So let me show you here how to print a lab report. So imagine this week we are going to talk, we are on muscle activity, but any activity works. So you would click here, activity 1, and you go here, upper right corner. There's something called lab report, and you click on printable version. You can put your name, and then this has created a lab report for you with everything you did for that activity. You click print, and whether you have a printer or not, you should be able to find something that save as a PDF, and you save as a PDF. So this should help. Otherwise, you can also on your browser print and again save as a PDF. On Safari, you can also export as a PDF.